I can plug an extension cord into that outlet, bringing the electricity to the theater. Then I can plug my laser into the extension cord. That allows me to convert that electrical energy into light energy. I'm going to shine that light energy onto a little fuse that's sitting on that stool. If my aim is good, I can initiate a chemical reaction with that light energy that allows the chemicals to release their energy as heat. The fuse is going to burn down, and you can't see it, but there's a little pile of explosives at the bottom of the fuse. That goes off, it's going to be loud, and it's going to throw this ball in the air. So, more chemicals into heat, also into kinetic energy, the energy of motion. That ball is connected to an electrical switch. When it flies in the air, it's going to close that switch. That's going to allow that battery that's sitting on the cart to convert its chemicals into electrical energy, which is going to flow through the wires. Now, it's very tiny, you can't see it, but there's a very thin wire at the where that flower pot is, and it's wrapped around a sparkler like you use at the 4th of July. Now, to give you some idea what's going on, when you put electrical energy through the thin wires in your toaster, they get red hot, releasing heat energy, converting electrical into heat. That wire, which is going to get red hot, it's wrapped around a sparkler. It's going to ignite the sparkler, allowing the sparkler to convert its chemical energy into more heat. The sparkler is going to burn down into some chemicals that are in that flower pot. Now, I usually don't bother telling the audience what's in the flower pot, but after I saw how well you did on the quiz, I bet you can handle it. So, the first chemical is called iron oxide. Does anybody know the common name for iron oxide? Rust. Very good. If you've got a car in Minnesota, you probably got some iron oxide. Minnesota has an entire mining industry devoted to mining rust, shipping it to refineries, converting it to iron metal, which then can be used for nails or cars or all kinds of things. Let's see. So, okay, the second, you got the first chemical, that's very good. The second chemical, I know no one will ever have heard of. It's called aluminum. Oh, we've heard of that one too. You're pretty smart. Okay, well, aluminum, just like in your soda cans, only what we've done is we've ground it into a very, very fine powder. We've mixed it with that rust in that flower pot, and it's sitting there waiting for the sparkler to burn down, give it enough heat to set off yet another chemical reaction. This chemical reaction releases a lot of heat energy. Some of that heat energy is going to go up and encounter that balloon at the top. That's our old friend, the hydrogen-oxygen balloon. So you know it's going to be loud. Most of the heat is going to stay in the flower pot, and it's going to interact with the product of our chemical reaction. I told you when you refine iron oxide, you can make pure iron metal out of it. Well, that's what this reaction does. It makes pure iron metal, but not the iron that you might see in a nail or a coat hanger where it's solid. This reaction releases so much heat that we're actually going to melt the iron. We're going to see liquid iron, molten iron, which melts at 1,500 degrees Celsius. That liquid iron is going to fall out of the bottom of the pot. We're going to catch it in a pile of sand, which you can't see, but it's down there. Whew.
Man, that's a lot of energy conversions all in one demonstration, Joe. Are you sure you can pull that off?
Well, I got to admit, I've only made all of the steps work in one other show. I'm hoping this is the second time where everything works.
All right. So remember, guys, if Joe gets this fuse lit, things are going to get loud really quick, so you're going to want to cover your ears. Let's give it a whirl, Joe.
All right.
go.
I did it!